Go to traditional cultural games. Alright. Ito, 2 beses itong lumabas sa LET noong September 2024 at saka March 2025. Sungka is a popular game in the Philippines. It involves dropping small stones or cowrie shells into large holes on a long canoe-shaped board. So, para siyang bangka. How many holes are there in the playing board of Sungka? Is it A14, 15, 16, 17? Naku, kailangan yung maglaro nito. Meron pa ba sa generation ngayon nito? Ayan. Pero as cultural educators, this is a very important thing to be revived. Ayan. Sige nga. Ayan, bilangin natin. Ang tamang sagot ay 16. Ayan. Kasi, ilang holes meron siya, sabi niya. Hindi na naman sinabi, except for the 2 bahay. Ayan, sige. Nung bata kami, ito mga nilalaro namin. Ayan. Masyadong mayaman itong mga shells na yan. So, bato lang ang ginagamit namin. Naalala ko pa noon, pag wala kaming sungkabord, doon kami sa lupa mismo magkukot-kot. Ayan, mga happy memories of childhood. So, ito, this is a very important Philippine game because it has some anthropological roots. So, hindi lang siya basta laro, this is also our connection to mainland Asia. Kasi itong klaseng laro na ito, nakikita din ito sa India, nakikita din ito sa Africa. So in a way, or even in the other Austronesian countries, so meron tayong connection with cultural roots on the different parts of Asia and also in Oceania.